McBrown's Kitchen. McBrown's Kitchen. Yet to Kano, get it bow. So when you know, no am I in here. Yet to Kano, get it bow. So when you know, yeah, my share.
Hello people, my name is Nana McBrown and I welcome you to McBrown's Kitchen. Yes, don't worry, me kabrofo. And ediane paye de. Ebusuafo munim dada se me kitchen koba wase ti baby epe bia ye de ko. But enne said de munim no ye twa bebre wo Kumasi. This trip there, you return back to Accra. Na enne eye so special because and eduane na ye be enye de munim de bia no. Inti mesre say teacher mama for mothers mube pay attention and ye jai eduane ye ma ye kunu ni and e be ye eduane ama ye ma McBrown's Kitchen eduane pa e ha na e de me pa cho mu ma me fa aseda e ma aboa for high sense everyday prices for everyday people na me cho bibi mu high sense ye brand ba kunie ye fe no Amcom inti sa woko high sense showroom na say wo honoma don't be confused. High sense fridge, high sense microwave, and high sense rice cooker. And yama P high sense. Tasty Tom, more jollof. The only tomato mixer, and fiber and vitamins. Tasty Tom. Me da nyonyo ase, nyonyo ne bema me mi crew ediane. Me da La Palm Royal Beach ase. So ma say de McBrown's Kitchen ebro. Menim eye Aligina. Me trinyi ye me amedia, matade ye me amedia. So ati ase. Mo ma me ntwa me ho sesi amra me ba. Mr. Men sorry. Na ye nye aduane nwie. Enne me se eye for mothers. Nti maame fo no. Obi antena se no hwe ye. Ye ba sisi a. Wo ma busi amu no. Obi a pa de pa bebre.
Awadi bebre. Nim dia bebre.
I'm home.
Me die adepa bia ye ma mabusua no me pe no bebre enu nti e ba na aduane no ade a me use so tasty Tom and rich tomato mix enya aduane no de keke o enyane no bi ti say vitamins and fiber a yema nipadua no wo mu when you nechi die bio na me hwehwe
More jollof.
More
so say we super use enrich Tasty Tom tomato mixer vitamins and fiber womu Tasty Tom emediane yede eyema oso Mama kwa baba high sense.
Thank you, Madam High Sense. Madam High Sense, me patch ye here on more. Ye here TV.
Okay.
Na so ni sika ni sa.
Sika bi ekura no. Me worry. Ubenya so no die. Yanko nam kwachiro.
What are you sure?
Me ya sure pa. Yanko. Say ye TV size bia. Ye sound system. Any mobile phone. Ya tete so say hu.
Sir. Any only mommy sound system need be continue.
No. Yana for mommy support to Black Stars. No mo to menji crew we yam refie. Na tie. 18th May, ekopem 19th July. Bora high sense showroom bia. Ye TV, ye sound system, ye mobile phone. Ya tete so say who pray high sense. Everyday prices for everyday people.
Say ye kan yen sabo mu a eno na ekire se ye baako eno na ekire se ye gina ho ye gitum ye kabom ye baako efri se yen sakabom mu a yen akoma enso akabom na se yakoma bobo mu a nyama intimi nyeye tumi ye Awake purified drinking water bottle baku biara a wo beto no ye de sikano bibua National Cardio Center ewo Kolebu Casa Preco Company Limited insano adwuma pa baku ni Awake purified drinking water, one for life.
sardine, peche, like that.
McBrown's kitchen. Ediane pede. Ebusia for me mama akwaba. But said they make an ene ye baby food. Nye de bia ne de meko ne nchine be ye aduane wa ha da bi. Ene ye ba be food for the babies. Inti mame fo mesre mu say mu be hwa mame. Na na me ni broni mame na ye ba be ye aduane no. Inti mu a mo hwa. Minua me ne no ye film. Minua me ne ye ejuma or ye producer. Or ye actress basically. Wa u broni or are you broni? Ana oh yeah, we back. Well, let's welcome Kafui Danku. Kafui do yam so be rohel no. Me come bia. Omero. This am meeting go enu baby ah.
We ncho na mama stress.
Yeah. Oh are you broni? Oh broni ba. When Canaban or set toya casa. Kafui akwaba. Ni sure who rohel no kakama why. Maybe the slippers a good hammer. Because what dada now Sasha Hill as a what drawn me. What I say?
Okay, no.
Kafui akwaba.
Yeah,
McBrown's kitchen ye. No, I just say Ediane pede.
Okay, and the second be
McBrown's kitchen.
Ediane pede.
Sir. Now who me kitchen say?
Oh, papa.
With that say.
Thank you.
Kaf.
You're welcome.
And now, and there was also very special food.
Oh, sir. Me fry me no because hu aduane ankofo anu e wo kitchen no na me hu se kof de bia ye nu aduane ma ya ye hu ne ye kunu ne like adults na dey na me say asan ye mothers month right ye san
yes e di man for our day
and then me more recipes be am me mama ba a ope
with the man
a lot enti e be bu so kasa o mi ba on di o yes na so kan me so mi be and then me fan me be no our kitchen na omo from 6 months to like 2 years no.
To me, you be right. I am so excited because when you are there, McBrown's kitchen, you start to be a baha. Abeye bibia da bia ye kunumuni ya ho edian. But then ye ma edian. Kaf ye ho yen sansa.
Oh, definitely.
Intino. So wo share am ne Kafui Danku. So ko social media ne ba no te set toy. Why to set of it?
Thank you.
Internet baby lord edian ya odie no.
Enna e
anu ni ni ba be wow. It is I mean wo bag keto anko ade am ye sure say ene programming ebe boa wa nkasa. Kaf ye wo so odian na enche me boa.
Enche kra. Enche.
Because encourage dey ebe 2-3 hours.
Oh, there be
na ye mbobo ye ingredients I dey be ye aduane.
Okay. Aduane first one na me ye no my friend no the chicken meal.
The chicken meal.
Me ana me too ni din.
Okay.
Because me the chicken na me the chicken.
Okay.
Any potatoes and carrots.
And ye. Me say ye be ye nkora aduane o nti me sremo. Mothers no mum pay attention. Now ye be bubo ingredients ne so nti mu hwe ne ye.
Okay, then my best say kitchen make the chicken. Potato and carrots.
By your broccoli wa.
Yeah, broccoli no. But broccoli dey na second one na ye ba be no.
And by your pese e bubo no.
Oh, nyama nyina. Okay, fine. Okay.
So broccoli, spaghetti,
eggs. We maple syrup ana.
Maple syrup, yes.
Peas.
Green peas.
Chocolate chips.
And you're confused, so they're Matt no also for chocolate chips.
With honey.
And war.
Chocolate paste. Chocolate paste, yes.
Okay, chocolate paste.
And a cinnamon. Okay.
And you want chicken
breast.
Chicken breast. Fresh milk.
Yes.
And
cooking cream. And a whipping cream.
And away day. Butter.
Yeah. And away cheese.
Yeah. Mom say I'm crazy and way penny dear. I'm sure so be no wardrobe. But when crazy and intino enyamo mu ana.
And nice. We are so we can her.
I made
yeah.
Me baby.
Nice, yeah.
So Kaf, you starting to say.
Okay. So say me pili me way no. So my room in Sandida. Enti.
You best in sing home.
Aye.
Okay. Membo.
Oh,
I didn't see a just so and I baby.
I said in so just so and collect Driano. Oh, no one not will share in Sunigua, nutrients in an aircon.
That's right.
And see, yet the sonne never benoa. And see, in Sunuba good pot nasi. Okay. Nay, the sonino as since Sunusu. And since you who are vepana every in Sunum airbano and una benwano. Wow. And see that way, never retaining all the nutrients a womb. Okay. In fact, Siona. Enfansioningu. Yes, all right.
And then cappuccino. Watch about 3 1 about. What's it in an I don't blame her. It's first of all, unya ingredients when na udin sio besi just.
Sio no this eketwa e was here has baby.
Okay. Now when your son here.
Exactly.
Jena eye said you open.
Okay. It's my shop what means fansioningu as here.
Okay, Masojana.
Thank you.
You see no?
Me da say. Like makano say nkole aduane no. Unwa na wo hwensuo ne gu a. Wo say normally potatoes no be na wo hwensuo ne gu a na we diaspeni. But nutrient na na ekọ no. Na no so na ehia ma amo ne nte no. Me de sonye na noa.
Yeah, the sonye na.
Enti nsuo no wa ase na wo de sonye no so. Na nti aduane ne nyina na begu ha say.
Begu ha ya.
Enti vapor no na be no.
Asa minimu say me sonye ne chance na.
Pepe.
No. Now is your best say yeah.
We no potato right. And no, what's me boy me since we no so carrots no. Na means what mean chicha crab
okay. Yeah, but baby lord they come the ntia ye ni ntama mama. Me chicha nketwa na akese. Nketwa.
Round kit. Na ye flat come on.
Okay, and for half na.
Cause I flat and I baby intem, e be intem.
Wow.
Back over.
Oh, okay.
Say me no nkwa na be and obi so obi.
They will way obiani. Me ko aduane de anka wo mbo kon ba we. Crew no obiani. Unim nyonyo. Nyonyo.
Oh, me sweetheart.
Yes. Nyonyo no my aduane wa anti no.
Oh, okay. Hey, o de bia ba Charlie.
And you be banku.
Oh, okay, fine.
And Kafui Danku you be banku.
Oh, Charlie.
So Kafui.
See, I make chicken no so. Okay. Once the chicken no so men no I was say no so bean into no. And no so make try and kitten.
So in the meantime, we me fan koguma na.
Wait me dey go. Once say na din to wait me dey go.
Wow. What's that your friends say?
Chicken meal.
To the beef yeah, beef meal.
Aye. Sana me
e the fish here.
Aye, wait me the beef, wait me the fish here because me ba no per chicken into no. Intina me de no yeah.
Oh, okay.
One day I me try chicken and kitten.
Yeah.
Because there was a bean. You can't risk
the potato no so. Na say duane no I think say ni nyina be komu back one bowl. More jollof, more chicken.
Okay.
Ohwa aduane no sija so but eninsuo ni.
Yeah.
Inti no. E wo sonye ni mu ene nsuo no wa asenti. Ntutuo no vapor no na ye de be no a ye de no aduane no. All right.
We see baby vapor the ntutuo. Ntutuo no. Okay, nana.
Me was back no dia wonti nsuo abrofo wo me ho there bi.
Enti me e man no ano me room and sabi na mastasi prepare the next one you ready.
Okay.
Say na be ya. Wait a year be I'm sure any hope. Don't worry. Let's start the second one. Okay. Yeah, I'm right.
Into the say I was for yeah chicken, yeah carrot, any potato no esijaso. Ediane no I think say was segment. Into no. Esijaso you call the next section.
No, me here 3 different collediane.
Oh, okay. So this is one.
Exactly.
Into where be now bende.
Your baby. And I me try na area.
There be enkoso.
Me pesa ye waste time. Say na be ya. Yeah. Me yes second one who eniama so
esiho. All right.
And I want to say.
No. Second one you fa there.
Me here brodo.
And cranfo no so at brodo. O here bread. But no matter kind of pan no.
Oh, okay, brodo. Yeah, friend abolo.
Oh, okay.
Abolo.
Abolo GAC. Mema o knife na.
Ah, imporcho me pese we no so yen papers na ye dry kakra.
So yeah, but second and you might be prepare no suntino.
And no okay, me starting me with liquid nyama no.
Okay.
Me here nkosua.
Kosua.
Enti me pie nkosua me no.
Okay.
Bigger one, Anna.
Yeah.
Okay.
Inti ye be mix another thing inti no. Ye mix kosua.
Any milk.
Fresh milk. Okay. Ya di ka say nkora aduane ne ye inti no. Ah ebe susu ho.
We say susu ba. The way we are no de me mfa go so sa. Nyina ebe de. Ba we say unhu uba no ne quantity a obedi no.
Na waye. We ye nyansi wo nya aduane a ye si ho.
Ultimately me the two baby food bottle bi na. Ewa o say nkola ne bottles nkete bi.
Ah betumi
akiko. Yeah, and say say oba me man in brew 3 days e wo fridge no.
Okay.
A drew 3 days no DW and to go.
Also
just men risky. E bia na ye but you can't be sure
you
know. Na we to be.
Yeah.
Enti nkosua milk na me mix here. Then me the cinnamon no. Okay. Spice be friend cinnamon. E man flavor nice be. Hwiam bi na esama ne ye the nice be senti.
When Coredian can make us yen use minazin what have. He but en makajo say ye Coredian.
Your friend is cinnamon.
Nti
be no so go so.
Nti awie.
The aka me honey no.
All right. Honey in the sea on. Yeah.
Honey. Your friend no I be mo anyichi. Nti anyichi no.
Oba me ko ma ye wo.
Enti me anyichi kakra. Who say aka say honey e yema nkola brains na ade no.
Yes.
And I be wa bia o the man director on person obedi nti.
O the friend ya ne ma no. And ne wan say nkola aduane de. Wo ye no wan fa bia nkan no wo boa. Na nya nkola aduane na wo ye.
Enti they say you a mixture in here. Cinnamon, kosua, milk, cinnamon, and honey. And I mix this in. Okay.
Yes.
Mixture nice.
Where potato no so
5 minutes. And so mixture. Okay. Back mama. Min dani no kakra.
Sa. And you know what?
Okay. See me the way.
Enyina yesua yo. Yesua enti no.
Okay,
you're serious with me. And na you papa for the aduane no nyina Africa kitchen na be babies.
No akama.
No I said they open now. Okay.
Chicken must be there echo to come. If you man some few more minutes.
Yeah.
Until we come back to second. When we no.
Yeah, we.
Yeah. Until we trap brodo no.
All right.
Yes sauce no na.
Until memfa we nsin.
And you be trouble, no.
Never there ending.
French toast. I don't know me say when you force to me.
Okay.
A friend of French toast. Obe trouble, me person me.
Bravo ware no. Enkwa.
And say me trouble, me yema me ba. Me fa we enka bread crust no. Me fa enka
ni nyina.
Ba no chese obi enyi ni nyina. Me na me hu ade kontina po a me yes.
Oh, okay. Don't worry.
Say be hoye din na high mre nti.
Ye be yi no. No.
And we me me we keke o obi o ha betimi de.
Kafui ye no manual.
But me ye.
Manual.
Oh, it's me. Oh, okay.
What is it? Wait a friend manual.
Okay.
All right.
And they make chemu too. Because me percent we no solution and soaking come.
Oh, okay.
Bread need the too.
Me pacho semu hwe ya. Egg, honey, cinnamon,
milk.
And a milk na ye mix ye no. Yeah, the bread. Bread na betumi a bread be a sugar or butter.
Yeah, betumi a butter, betumi a sugar, betumi be.
Okay. And I feel the bread na tum.
Into me the sim say na be ya.
Ebe soaking
come na enkom. Only say nkola de omu hia milk to grow into no.
Yeah.
Until say crop broad ni mu ye.
Right, then we cover that.
We can cover. So we'll be back. You better buy no so.
You better buy.
Mommy checking me wait.
Okay. It's frying pan ye be there.
Frying pan ye we na ye dey see here no. Ye ba beche. Ye di butter. And e ba beche. Enti.
Okay. So ye di kan ka say nkreduan nti no. And they won't be a
normal. The butter and never vechi we enti. Say pan mo ye share. Na the butter ne too.
Butter no mboa.
Yes, yeah. By this by then now we na soak come away. Butter na me there 2 pan. Sorry,
Kafra. Oh, let me give you a drink. My boy knows that.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
I better from the look. They are packaged in the Oh, okay. And now we're doing
mixed fruit.
I mean, mixed fruit.
Okay.
Thank you.
Cheers. Cheers. I can't say one.
I don't know.
Minim trade anything else. And we are so be home. All right, Yako.
Okay, auntie. It's your butter no na e wo pan no na I share ready.
Okay.
Auntie we na me yi no dia nyama na soki nyina no e no ne be esi.
Hey, Lord, wash na no ofie ho.
Auntie, on the yeah we come. I mean fa we come pan no so auntie no.
Okay, be come.
Ai, ni nyina be come. Me ni nyina pre.
Wow. Your bread no.
What do you add done I brown?
Just say I say
achi nice.
I said watch kosua no na on.
Aha. That I remember nice.
Okay, to me my plate.
Aye. On say makacho say we e dey am penyifo krati midi.
Yes.
Enti yen fa ne say wo na obaby dia na me na eba be dia. You want to say the maple syrup no eguso.
Oh, okay. Na say ka breakfast ready for pay for right.
Aye nkola ni nti no me be twitwa.
All right.
Me twitwa bebre na me dey gu blender mo. Just nkola from 6 months almost at solid omo nisi ebi mu keten bi na de omo timi nchu papa
enti men kata so in the meantime na be twitwa nsisi
be twitwa nsisi a ye prep se na be ya formula bi ani ho we de be twitwa ni how keke
okay
me twitwa ni how na me de agumi blender ni mu enti we twitwa
enti we ye akra ne de na ye be na
e ba be blend
we see empanfo de na ye be di sisi a
say when no me ye the say me na fa maple syrup na eguso e man more flavor behind there enti me twitwa egu we no we me send the milk eguso
okay
milk kakra once enkola de omo hia milk bebre to grow so wait me the milk e be wait me the baby milk no e be after milk
I anya no blender we mu anya easy
esun dodo and until we said the near bebre ansa but we enkola e be nipa akola ba kwa na me no enti no
liquid no enso ne
debi say you betum
oh okay
enti no they say me the milk be be kan ho bi
okay
enti me the milk no say enkola de mo hia milk say bia onum semelac ana after milk ana milk bia a wo de man na on so pe no obetimi de
no aye
wo person na wo de honey kakra asa kan ho
okay yes afa honey kakra wo say ingredient enti wo say yo mu de
wo say you rich pan na ye ni de enti yeah eno anu no say anu metu me we no me blender no enti say anu
yeah be blender
me be blender yes I am color enti with the milk na egusi we
okay
me be blender blend
aye enti e be hwie
aye be hwie o say e be eno anu no say ya say cerelac base abi
when you be there no
enti we hwie
okay
well
okay
enti we mu binom dey share bottle we no mo tonton man ya say me kwa me ebiton
edo okay
oh what is there what can here
yes
can here
some dey ni
David can we kola dey no say me dey we aka ho me the milk more milk ni we aka
na so penyu betimi
na me kan ba penyu fon say we blend aduane ase dey hu ni si no
wow Inti
me here bowl kitu na me dey me hwegu no mu ni
oh and you want a white one
me I wanted a small cute one send be when no so na inti oh one ni hwe na ubane aduane are ready come on
ye wi aduane we
enu no inti upe a wotimi the maple syrup no
ebisa kan
so ana wotimi the honey
ana
who thinks a bebre we had already that's fine inti brodo na no so edi or dinner with style.
Oh my God.
Inti
aduane no we I
ready. Ready.
Wow. Na say we obetumi aye for penny breakfast.
Na me kan say edru ho say yes say untwitwa biom. Ti say we na we say nzo the maple syrup.
Inti e be kata we so ana.
E ma oba.
Ana we so wo ho.
Inti we first one e be start. The second one quite start na baby entem no.
Oh,
the first shall be the last.
Wow. I was for median and I ready, right?
And
okay. Inti e be yi milk na ade na free ha.
Aye. You we
na whipped cream na.
Whipped cream be the next adjournment.
The next one. I think so we no so I ready.
Oh, I've been cry.
And e be blend you.
E be blend you no so.
Inti e no be ko ha.
Aye.
Okay.
And kase enemu. Inti me chicken ne me carrots. Any me potatoes no.
Yeah.
And na ready. What say e bi kwa e bu kama.
Oh, okay. So no can vapor no.
Yes.
It's
the best form of cooking for a child. so that nyama no be nutrient ni na no e become be hye nsuo no e bo ase sa won se ensisa kalapo because e say di bia so
camera no to man ka be me do camera no nhwem no hu se nsuo no nie wow inti be blend it's hot but it's okay
okay inti it be good blend anim if I'm right
yes darling inti no you be blended chicken
carrots
potato carrots no
inti enu na edi egu blender
eno ye di nsuo bi ana milk bi ana
nsuo kakra bi ni milk egu eno so because no so nkola eduane inti no se milk komwa enye hwe upa we didn't nsuo ba me lord with the milk
eni enfa milk no so lord eduane ne ye wo ha inti de wo ye no na ye pesa wo kire
inti with the milk egu so
okay
e dia blend yeah
kakrebi
me dem pen be
milk yemfa milk no bi nkan we bi o
debi eye o swa nti na me pese on say ka say omu no milk a
yeah omu nyini fe
nti me the milk
the diane ne come wow
and one yeah too smooth na say won say odi 18 months nti me yema na me blending the bebre
na what to me I will want me kakra okay
but
no so
from like 6 months 6 months ekono
now
what's the name
I have
so this is our chicken meal no chicken baby meal
are we going to blend any other thing
that no third one say blend the bucket one
and say blend the bucket one okay
and you 2 meals from kola and one
I won't let it
and
go
then we to test it say we test here
okay abusia for McBrown's kitchen and amugusu amuhwe na minim se ba bia aduani ani me no edi kan ye no what the kan sua dada but Kafui see na emofrenti no buy or be third one yesterday na hwe no mami Kaf
third one no
yeah kone say
for and one no yeah maybe ripe plantain
okay
and so my friend of the plantain meal
I buy the chicken meal fish meal beef meal and plantain meal
plantain meal why cuz obet me to why cuz what me do wudin atu nti why we fie ho mu say oh fa baby and say and one nti and no I
so me say you fire spaghetti so
oh I know so can be the fourth area by time me say about time in naka me be try another recipe so way so but no another time say me babiuma ma ba ye no never do
because I know say mothers vibration they will request for you
okay
again.
yeah so
into be samba
right.
but say and there
ye be kokko no
me so janu
impossible na me here so kakra bi wo we me wash kokko nti
oh okay
normally me wash say na be ya on say no uyi wo we no mu a uyi wo upain na ubie na uyi ne na mensre say anwia wo we no ho a ebetinya koka eduane no nti also washing the first answer
nti no kokko no na Kafui kan o say eduane no akra na ma no need 3 days
we are man in the account chef fridge man in brew 3 days
man in brew 3 days
yes brew 3 days for now kokko ne me ya me pɛ de I bring kasa I memre no yes cause no enche na aben na no so de nti akra no obedi ne kama na on te kokko so ba so ai
say method
na o se kokko so nice because iron womb and no more here yes and we one of baby lots odini na say
sir tino wa kasa wa toto ya kaso bi atoto kasa wa honam wa body ase
lamelesi I be kan lamelesi
kasa wa baby lo lamelesi what ase
enti paper na ebe no ano because it is just no what say penny for e be shave na nutrients na ko yeah and no me pair me hu say me ankasa me pair broccoli pa okay and me ma me man bi no so pair enti me ye aduane we me the broccoli and say obenya vegetables bi
just say enyane na wo ye ni na obi tincha obeka say oh and a honey and a egg And no. And Kodano Mofrano here.
Omuhia, exactly.
Intino.
Omuhia vegetarian.
Yeah.
Into where broccoli, my family, no fair.
No, wash it.
And no, say a vegetable air dink a cra.
To make you chow.
And they are me to try and kitten, and so send a bear.
Okay.
A baby.
Okay.
Yeah.
Once I said, method now, I didn't know I'm a friend. Yen no won't sue. Yet the vapor and no antino. Try say, Uber Chichan and Ketua. Na vapor let me up and one will come. A crown a chamana. Combat them.
Obey swatch. Maybe broccoli. And no, but Ebia, who are vegetable, Bio, owning say Ubano, Ebia, carrots, and a green peas, and a green beans. Wait me, dear, no. Peas now come in spaghetti, dear, no cheese, no. But no, next time.
Oh, but no, but me the one no boss.
Okay, meet me a cake.
Ain't you no spaghetti now?
And no spaghetti, no the peas, no. Edia can and now the and me be blended we are me no any peas ni we are.
No blended.
Me blending the milk, me the blend. Sometimes me farm milk, let me the cheese.
Oh, okay.
Blended.
And one. Come on, I'm sure say na mama for ni ajepa. Mama man pay you no. I'm po mu chow and umodi you know. Mesra won't try any of these meals and mama friend. I'm sure say ubenya ba ku ma.
Oh, definitely. Yeah. Way so sometimes me blend it with me the milk akrabia kan. But when me am because me farm milk kan. For Lord because me the milk chicken then na dey. And me person different tastes.
Yes.
If you na we milk no be too much man sometimes the way me cocoa me farm milk kan. And me blend.
And I won't find chini bibia. All right, Kaf. Say na cocoa no ne broccoli ni si jaso. I want to saw the chicken belly.
Aye, mami to try and kan.
Okay. Wow, so would you try me say a bobo first 2 meals na ya.
Okay, first one me use carrots, chicken and a potato.
Okay.
And me babe blending on me the milk and the blend here. Second one me French toast, no.
Yeah. My favorite.
And no milk, milk, cinnamon, egg, honey. Bread, honey, maple syrup. That's when me all that 7.
And I just say, and no, then I recommend it from paying for so. Breakfast is any bad crowd because with the syrup, neguso now, ooh,
neither.
It was nice. It was really nice. And the third one in here, you have a camel.
Normally, me the beef na by the chicken na me the.
What the chicken?
Yes.
Okay. No so happening about. But tomato na dey here no. For the safety of baby no. Said the obenya hoodi ni nyina no. Enti yem fa ngunsuo. Ka patwa yo.
I maybe.
Kitchen where you.
Maybe.
And yeah, broccoli, yeah, egg no.
Aye, maybe.
Yeah, potato no.
Aye.
Bibia.
Aye.
Unfortunately, I'm renting no peas no. Now where chocolate
chips no. Oh, back when I'm here no. Back when I'm sipping crati me dino.
Ah, bread way no.
Can me be garnish and can be chocolate chip never be garnish.
Nanka wo.
Actually say enye nkola nkwan mpenyi for so timidi. And can be the whipping cream dey go. The way I me too hono. Na me the whipping cream go so. Na me the chocolate chip.
Na wo worry bro ni ntra na.
Damn.
And na wo lord ntra.
Lord ya lord ntra.
Because that's me team me ko and I meant
Debbie, me also moye me ko sa ni nyama unto 90 nkola no.
And me
nkola dear. And na mpenyi for breakfast.
Sir, at least back between I am paying for there.
Yeah.
Bread one, no. Yeah, the bubo, egg, this cinnamon, honey,
French toast.
French toast, no. And no, and then they are paying for there. Aye. Thank you. Wow.
Okay, my man is 3 more minutes.
3 more minutes. Oh, Kaf, what is
it? 3 minutes.
So back when you are away and so we got a fin and make one.
Because most of the time, no, on the end of my year, when say baby food, no, it's me contribution. I produced it in 2004 and 2014, and I was 2018. It's been 4 years with additives. be na ye to on nim say na ye preserve no. Even though almost say you okay, but I'm in Colano, I'm immune system no nye ding sa anything is better. Was so be you better baby fresh. 1 or 2 actually 3 days wait go. We a bottle most I'm preserving milk na dada. Nema bebre na che. You know, you can't trust it.
Oh, McBrown's kitchen. Me na man kolama me fans. E mama me fans. E mama me fans. Inti ye juni obia. Ye juni obia. Eh, Kafui ubia no my de one what you.
Eh, wo pede ni bi.
Oyi yen ya ka command ko sa. E ma want
we na no idin.
Over the road.
Dero is the trumpet. They need Dero.
Bring us in.
They say me, oh, they need Dero.
Dero, the gong.
Oh, gong bitter.
Mango Jesus down.
Miko pa. Tell me.
Uko abrofo dia na uko
local girls in there.
Area ben.
Oh.
Sa.
No, Dero, your friend
Anya no gong.
Ekpo donu, Ekpo. Your friend Ekpo.
Yeah.
Okay, dear, we be no. Nana behu. Gongo. Dero. Your friend Ekpo.
What is your own say?
Your friend Ekpo intino.
Yeah, kokono dia.
Okay, yeah, I was like I'm rep. Okay. Nana wa ba she. Won say no akra ebu.
No akra ebu.
I ready ebu.
I ready. Inte say ebe blend and
ebe blend and one.
Na me the dia na ebe blend milk.
Opa, we me farm milk can come because me person are different.
Okay.
Come baby na where I made the milk blend enti we no.
Okay.
Me blending inside.
Oh, okay. Inte say
ebe
blend. Yeah, cocoa.
Yeah.
Chicken.
Okay, enti we the nsuo kakra bi. Aye, omo ye nkola ni nti so we sure sense you ni nsuo pa. Nsuo pa.
We nsuo pa.
Now dear. Go so.
Kakra bi sa.
Yeah. Send be enye too running exactly.
Okay. All right. The high sense.
Oh, okay. Okay. Let me say apple. I blend area.
Okay. Wow. Yeah, we are doing no busanfo. Yeah, we are man doing.
Yes.
Aye. Wait, na McBrown.
We are very smooth, but I'm going to feel sentiment. I'm going to make.
Eddie, okay.
I haven't heard any.
Wow.
But I mean, here,
me mouse spoon someone. Me patcha say o hwe yan. June wo ba ho kane. June wo ba ho. And I show you your friend of June wo ba ho. Think about your baby. Unza. Hey, baby Lord, no. Ain't no why when just say what did be a crap?
Can hear.
Yes, I would be. Cocoa water. That's what I do for fire.
Mommy, can hear because the milk I say.
Yeah, but when they almost say no sugar, cocoa
now, but say,
cocoa
a man day. Na vegetable soup, chicken room.
Now where there no syrup, nothing.
Debbie. Instead of nsuo, with me the milk. I can't want to say bibia or pebia, but just water or milk. But I mean, farm milk can way on this particular one. Say and I mean one.
I was and then move on some McBrown's kitchen with the biaba. Mom himself bruni in a buy. And now, my fan say more like a new mother. Like 2 years now.
18 months.
18 months. In teacher say. It's good you came.
Yeah.
It's really
good. Until started solid. So also baby will start 5 months and 6 months. Until nyama we nyina. But now for me sure mo nyina so mbani deeper.
I know some McBrown's kitchen. Said they are the 4 ehwe there. Omuso be di ho dance here ba. Abusu for baby adu there. Ye be twa ye ho aba. Ye ba, me be ka de nyina ahwe. And the baby McBrown. Me no be di baby ane. Inti my sima ba ko be ye ba sisia. Woman was here, Mono. Oh, Pia Paddy Paddy Green.
I'm home.
Me dear, Adepe bia ye ma mebusua no me pe no bebre enu ti eba na aduane no ade a me use so tasty tom and rich tomato mix enya aduane no de keke o enuane no bi ti say vitamins and fiber a yema nipadua no wo mu when you ne chi die bio na me hwehwe
more jollof
More
so say we super use and rich tasty tom tomato mix of vitamins and fiber womu tasty tom e mediane yede e yema also Mi mama kwa baba high sense.
Thank you, Madam High Sense. Madam High Sense, me patri here on more. You hear TV.
Okay.
Now, so you see, can you start?
Sika bi ekura no. Me worry. Ubenya so no de. Yanko nam kwatro.
What are you sure?
Me ya sure pa. Yanko. Say, your TV sites bia, your sound system, any mobile phone. Ya tete to say hu.
Sir! Any only mommy sound system need be continue.
No. Yana for mommy support to Black Stars. No mo to me crew where am refie. Na tie. 18th May, ekopem 19th July. Bora high sense showroom bia. Your TV, your sound system, your mobile phone. Ya tete to say who pray high sense. Everyday prices for everyday people.
Say ye kan yen sabo mu a eno na ekire say ye baako eno na ekire say ye gina ho ye gitum ye kabom ye baako efri say yen sakabo mu a yen akoma enso akabom na say yakoma bobo mu a nyama intumi nyeye tumi ye Awake purified drinking water bottle baku biara wo betono yede sikano bibua National Cardio Center ewo kolebu Casapreco Company Limited insano ejuma pa baku ni Awake purified drinking water, one for life.
Sardine, peche like that.
McBrown's kitchen, Ediane Fede, Annie, and Nadia. Someone will say my system, and then me junior your man home, and more friend home, and then my Diane and a Kafui Danku, obey your mind, because one say, they say when you experience be pray because of baby Lord. Now, I am a can say what I best share the recipe. And you are now do you feel mamma fra your mano mumudi and wabbit share am I but munim that I said McBrown's kitchen a woman much may basso tasty tom and high sense everyday prices for everyday people omunim a boa for casepa maybe I said up you and my nyonyo food nyonyo fight I saw dear betty be a social media nyonyo food Sana La Palm Royal Beach Hotel. La Palm Royal Beach Hotel, Madame Wasi. Alidina makeover. Alice Yamin Shroud. But then, Yediana no, I simple. Kafui Onibi. On one you feel Miami with you, my daughter. Calf, maybe a 3 twin chair. Now, Miss Madawasi. Oh, you send the Wabet chair. Chicken meal, cocoa meal, and bread, French toast. Back up, me my own cocoa. Me name my boy for yes, we da was me a cola can ye. There won't be a your dear. Oh, sir. Yes. What you watching? I won't want the fair every high sense. Wow. High sense. Okay. Chopper. Thank you. And then with the coffee. Nina, your dear. Thank you. Sa ma we nyina no ma fa no anka ho a. Ma nya de. Inti no. Tasty.
Tom.
Okay. Tasty Tom.
Oh, it's me press spaghetti pan.
Spaghetti no submission.
Men no baby, I'm Thank you.
Whoa. I was saying for one woman that McBrown's kitchen there, yes, so your guests so. You don't must say. Calf. Wait, I'm going to video. Wow. Hey, baby,
chicken
meal. Me here, babe. Come here, boy, babe. I go to tell mom. I wait.
No, it did.
Wow. Into where you carrot, chicken,
potatoes.
Potato.
And a milk.
Wow. Yeah, Madama. I'm a cap and a cook. And so I know
okay, I'm going to dear.
Yeah.
Nana, really? Hey, now trying to test the ammo can you say? Man, I say what it. Okay, let me just say that. No, it's a day where penny for best made you back because you are blending milk, no?
I say penny. Oh, blend this onion, man. I say, hey, but I never. And this is cocoa, broccoli, and chicken.
Yeah.
Medical has I never couldn't know, Mama. And you know. What the umbrella?
Cocoa ninti.
That the other bound have a payment, the idea. Yes, I said,
yes.
Now what to say?
Oh,
I want to say.
No, yeah, I want. Me challenges visa and some me waiting. But it's different, different and interesting. So especially Accra, so say be Lord Oni, no Suya Kasa or any other being a day. So you just see how wonderful God is. Yeah. Sometimes you want to say that, and then you just thank God for growth, for life, for good health.
Into women away from me, my baby.
Ampa.
Oh, that kind of thing.
That kind
but
of
like
thing.
you were saying, Kaf, I just want you to share your story with us. One said, you said when you have complications, baby.
And I must share my story. Stuff in the true book. Work as I me, support me, a launch here. Into me share because create or social media. Oh, we are favorites. Okay, friend too.
And you were saying, what are trouble?
And that trouble, your friend, the silence is not golden.
Silence
is not golden. And the silence became golden. And the book, it was shell shops be brave. It was sweet shell shops.
Why silence is not golden? And suddenly it became golden.
One will say, growing up, you have to say, silence is golden. Like in Ebony, you kind of say, todo don't know for sa. Like, baby, oh yeah, baby, so can I be how? And I saw being Tiwasi, and I said, there's some things you need to speak about. And then dialogue is socially about an issue to resolve it. But we are all quiet. And one of these issues, I said, Wuko warrior. And then anyone say, or say, woo. And now, even at the engagement and as a marriage ceremony, they will pray instantly. Yeah, per twins, per triplets. There's a lot of pressure. That's put on the woman or the couple and then you go in and then Nyango Pureka said, "Debbie, not yet." And then men will say, "No, it has to be like this." Why once we are bow, a few people, nobody was giving me pressure. Me, whenever I have pressure, I won't take that from anybody. But once, because now me lose pregnancy, I say me go hospital, I go and see me map a brain, me fat job. Me relax. The right time, but for questions, I can't now.
The right time,
no. And see, no, me who say, and I me can't say, look at crazy, social media, no, go be through Instagram, Facebook, me email, WhatsApp. And they me share be muso omo be kasa and I realized say omo person omo kasa. They wanted to be heard. They wanted people to know how they feel. But then they've been dying in silence for a very long time. In terms of the silence is not golden. No. It was a me come media perform nyina rally
about.
I want to say okay name I mean come media jenny nyina because we suffer for one and suffer bebre and so misleading crofo bebre or my in-laws never be never so I was say we should be sensitive about and no yenye and I won't say one yoba. Yeah. Those kind of things, it's got to stop. I was saying, yeah, we have to learn and know. Say, me know say me kasa. Utonyo mintonyo. But you know wano.
Yes.
And don't just say obiya betonyo.
Yes.
You see, so now be wa. And the fact that you are worried doesn't mean say you have to get pregnant the next month. If you nyango po kasa on him time, I'll be able. Oh no, she said na idea. And I said no biaso nebe. And no biaso nebe.
Lord, I done it toy on social media.
So I did not tell
papa. Kafui. Oh, there. Why when you we be no?
Oh, Charlie.
Why when you be we are not papa? No more said me Maybe McBrown, me the winner.
Okay, friend toast no. Yeah.
How no me the mood. What I say? Wow. So say Lord buy. I join Swati.
Kakra.
But you had miscarriages.
Yes, so many. Na me kanu said the nipa no or battled all these miscarriages. Now we need also story. But yes, we don't know what she's going through. And you're compassionate, you're sensitive and crowfon sem kakra. You're supporting crowfon. Na you who say and you'll be never something else. For instance, me when I was young, I said at a point, I said me a journalist. End of the man, journalist.
And I see her action cat.
Until we are one destiny. The fact that we are all married doesn't mean we all have children at the same time.
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you.
Silence is not golden, it's about that. Yeah. And our silence became golden. Oh, say, Manu yape. We can't restore me, you know. Me on the best, and now they when you send it to social media. And I be say, I if you pay for Baba Chime and go for the brain. Which I don't really give a lot of attention to.
Yeah.
The BSC.
Okay.
I could have lost the baby. Until no, silence became golden for me at a point. I was quiet. Nobody knew. But when I was telling my story, I'm saying that I might as well say everything. So the book Silence Became Golden is about what actually happened.
Then you almost lost the pregnancy.
The baby. Not pregnant. The baby was out.
Given birth.
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, baby Lord. I suffered in silence. Yes. Again. Yes. So silence became golden for me at a point.
Yeah.
But I just want people to know, we should be quiet about.
Yeah.
Because we can only dialogue and look for solutions for the problem. So we can't be quiet about certain issues. But then certain issues to need us to be quiet.
I love that everybody get the book.
It was sell shops, 50 cedis per two in one book. Book near two.
2 in 1 book. 50 cedis. Because we want everybody to know the story. And also, we are also there now. A very casual amount, the pressure will come down.
Yeah.
Now, who is a producer?
I'm a producer.
Yeah, the last year now producer. How many films now?
In total, 5. 5 films. Letters to My Mother.
Okay.
Devil in a Dress.
Yes.
Happy Death Day.
Yeah. Papa.
Happy Death Day. I do. Oh, any other Monday.
Any other Monday.
And I'm a short film, but see a friend called Fire.
Cold Fire.
Yeah, Cold Fire.
Oh, okay.
How can fire be cold? Oh, then send me brain.
No, what title?
Yeah, because
Devil in a Dress.
Yes.
Then
Letters
to My Mother. Monday.
Any other Monday.
I do.
And Happy Death Day.
Death Day. What titles?
Oh, behind Happy Birthday.
Yeah.
Nobody thought about Death Day.
Now, how can you be happy on your death day?
You know, but death is a day how you be fat through. And I say, after some time, something we don't like to talk about. So we try to make people know, say, a death day can be a happy one.
Yeah.
That's interesting. Okay.
Africa, you need to be accepted them. Say happy.
Oh, you didn't have
Wow. What is next for you?
Oh, and then sometimes we started YouTube vlog, channel about lifestyle, okay. And then I went on a long break. And see, I'm bringing it back. So you can sign up www.Kafui Danku, www.youtube.com/Kafui Danku. www.youtube.com/Kafui Danku. Kafui Danku.
Your last word.
And so keep watching McBrown's Kitchen. And then sign on to my vlog. I'll be bringing you very interesting topics. We're discussing personal hygiene, female hygiene, sexual hygiene, any nyama, baby nyama, product review, product reviews, marriage. Silence is not good. You know, sign up and keep watching McBrown's TV.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Nana.
Thank you so much.
You.
And no, the ultra pet you formula here, the Anamani Culinary. But the anabadi dear who hear no beer. And that meaning say was swear be beer from McBrown's Kitchen. To be honest with you, Kaf, Obia and unit that's all bread no bet or bet to boo colana. But said your way, and even though once I may a penny, I mean, many cranny coming to me. What are the button crown dear? No waiting near my home. And see, Madame Sasha McBrown's Kitchen. Madame guest swasi. Madame Bois high sense, tasty tom, 90 omega-3 sunflower oil, and now Minazen food spices. Me patron near man nine macambo where do one dance at you. When you bobby so share. Aye, now high sense yet TV so. Of Abenya Amcom TV. Nanama McBrown's Kitchen, our YouTube 24/7. Kafui the year, Kohan. And he went to me and show her. And now, Obama until Kohode Bia, no Koshe, Kafui, dear new mammy. McBrown, Miami, no. Your best year now, Sunday. Me dance a pass and me social McBrown's Kitchen man. Oh, Yami won't shout, no count. No, my yin shall now, Sunday. Madame Crew, I say, Nyonyo. Aligina, La Palm Royal Beach. Asia next week. Brim! Macra.
McBrown's Kitchen, again in Pedro. McBrown's Kitchen, bring us all. McBrown's Kitchen, again in Pedro. McBrown's Kitchen, bring us all. Yet to Kano, get it bow. So when you know, no am I in here. Yet to Kano, get it bow. So when you know, yeah, my share. McBrown's Kitchen, again in Pedro. McBrown's Kitchen.